Good morning, everybody. Finally, we got a gap up on Nvidia. So let's see what's going on. Nvidia been going down for 3 days. Almost went down like 15%. If it would have gone below 20%, that would have been very bad. But so far we got a bounce up. So let's see what's going on. All right, ES was very interesting. ES yesterday was very volatile. I mean, Apple is start jumping off right off the gate. Then semis just start falling more. Microsoft went down, then up. Was just very wild, and the more volatility, the more possibility to make money for a day trader. But we'll see what's gonna happen today. Pre-market right now, mixed signal on the 5 minutes on the ES. Good morning, Manny. 15 is dead cross, but it's just up and down on the price action. 30 is upward. We got dark blue bar. 1 hour, the most important thing is golden cross upward, and the 4 hour is getting some yellow bars. So still very bullish on daily and weekly. So there is a possibility. Just keep in mind, 3 weeks ago it was a short week, and then usually during short week we go down then up, but it happened with a 1 week delay. It started getting bearish at the beginning of the week, and then end of the week we had a new all-time high. So maybe same scenario happens again this time. PCE, we have report is coming up end of the week, and right now Nvidia is bouncing up a little bit. So if this bounce up continues, we can go to all-time high and pass it even. So if any name you see 4 hour MACD golden crosses, good morning Amnon. Any name you see 4 hour MACD golden crosses, we are good to go for a bigger run up. NQ greenest index today. 4 hour we start getting a yellow bar. Yesterday we got two dark blue bars so far on the daily. MACD's curve down. It came out of the oversold zone, overbought zone. But weekly is still in the overbought. No, it's actually down there. So a 30 and 1 hour is upward, and the 5 and 15 is kind of flat. So if it passes pre-market high, we are good to fly up. Watch Nvidia. It's all about Nvidia. Dow Jones 4 hours is just dead cross right now. So for our daily is still upward. Weekly we're getting two yellow bar. Need to pass all time high to get interesting. RTY of daily MACD is golden cross after a long time since May. That's interesting actually. So keep an eye on small caps. DXY. Um, come on, man. DXY very bullish on the 15:30 and 1 hour, and that's why market is not flying up yet. So if you see DXY pulls back down, good to go for market. Otherwise, not gonna have a fly up. This if this continues going up. But Primar right now is showing some weaknesses. So the lower it goes, the higher techs can fly up. 10-year note, weekly is still downward. 4 hours golden crossing, big jump up after 8:30. A Canada report, so 4.245. If it passes that one, can go to the higher level 4.308. Need to get a below 4.168, then small caps can get crazy. Carvana actually yesterday was going crazy. Wix small green, all about two levels 1307, 1373. Breaks either one, bigger move for market. Below 1307, next target is 12.1. Goes below 1307, we gonna get a squeeze up for market. If 1373 passes, next is 1414, 1447, 1479. Weekly is curved up, daily MACD is still upward. Once you see 4 hour MACD dead crosses, then we can have a that scenario that I said, new all-time high by Friday. It's possible to happen. SPX was very wild yesterday, as I mentioned. It was just almost about to hit a new all-time high yesterday. So this one, if it continues going up, 5470 and 5486. Those are the next major level. Past 5486, 5509 next major. Above that, squeeze up higher. BTC was wild yesterday. It continues going, dumping into the close, and then it went a little bit lower last night, and then boom, bounce up. 4 hour is near golden cross. Daily and weekly are very bearish, but right now is deep buyers are holding up the 60K. So we'll see if it's gonna continue going higher or lower. Ethereum, same thing. 4 hours near golden cross. Apple, Apple was very interesting. It opened, it jumped up crazy, and then it bent down crazy again. Pre-market right now, 15:30 is upward, 1 hour is 4 hours near golden cross, and daily is near dead cross. So there is a mixed signal. It's all about price action. If it runs up 210.74, next key, past that one, 211, 213, 214. If it falls, if it 209 can hold it, back to 207, 208, and 207.79. Below 207, 205. Need to pass 214 or 25 for a bigger move. Until then, it's gonna be a big yo-yo between these levels. Amazon, to Amazon, okay, here's the thing. Amazon, every time it gets close to all-time high, maybe it makes a small all-time high and it pulls back. It never passes the all-time high, at least for last few months. It never passed all-time high and goes crazy higher. Um, Daily MACD is curving down a little bit. 4 hour MACD is dead cross already, and but pre-market 15:30 and 1 hour is upward. So it's all about 186.8. If it passes that one, 188.65, 190.18, 192. Need to pass 190, the all-time high 191.7 strong, to go strong for run up. But the multi-day run up, like other names when they pass all-time high, it hasn't happened on Amazon long time. When it happens, gotta be ready. Again, 185 you can hold it, 182, 180. I'm gonna cover both sides because market is bullish pre-open, but you never know. Maybe it pulls back, then it goes up again. Maybe just right off the gate it goes up, then it pulls back. Gotta be prepared for either scenario. Nvidia. Nvidia, finally we get a 1 hour. We got a 1 hour golden cross yesterday pre-open, but right away, on Friday. We got after the close, we got a 1 hour golden cross. But then on Monday morning, we got a 1 hour dead cross again. So right now, pre-market, 1 hour MACD, we got a solid golden cross on the 1 hour. 4 hour, we're getting a yellow bar after all these drops. Finally, TTM squeeze red switching to yellow, and that's a good sign for a name that is very high volume and volatile. That's a very good sign we get a yellow bar. So if it pulls back at the open, 120, 24 is a key level. If it doesn't hold it, it can retest lower level 118.68, 116.15, and lower 113, 112. Doubt it goes that low, but 118 is possible to touch down. Max pain maybe 116.15, but then it can go down fast and go fast up again. So that's possible scenario that I'm putting out there. 122, 125, those are the next major. If it 125.28 passes, we can go for a bigger run up to 127, 131, and 134. Um, Anyhow, that's for Nvidia. AVGO, it follows Nvidia. If Nvidia goes 1642 next major, above that 1663, 80, and 96. Coin, BTC run up, so 217 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 220. If 220 pass, 222, 226, 230. 4 hours near golden cross. Netflix was very weak off the open from yesterday, but right now 30 and 1 hour is golden cross upward on the MACD. 672 is a key level to watch. If it passed that one, 675, 679, 684. If it can, if it falls, 663 is the next major. Below that, it can go for a bigger dump. Um, Earning is few weeks away, so maybe some profit locking before that, but then we'll see if it's gonna pass 700 or not. Um, Meta, um, very wild move again there. Same like Apple, jump up at open, then dump. So two key levels to watch is 497, 499. If 499 pass, we're looking at 501, 503 next major, above 503. If it goes crazy, 507, 511, 514. If 497 can hold it, 495, 493, and 491. Next major level is 491. 15 is dead crossing, 30 is curved down, 1 hour is curved down, but the 4 hour is near golden cross with the red bar on TTM squeeze. So there is mixed signal, daily MACD is dead crossing. It's possible to go into a roller coaster mode. Tesla, another wild name yesterday, like Apple. It jumped up at open, then gave away all the gains. And but right now, pre-market, I like that the 15:30 is upward, 1 hour is upward, and the 4 hour MACD is golden cross confirmed. Yesterday was about to confirm, but then suddenly this pullback diverted it down. Sorry about that. So it's possible to does the same like yesterday. If it opens 185.55, that's a key level to watch. Pass 186.91, 189.11 is the next major. Once we pass 190 strong, then we are good to go to 191, 194, 197. But just keep in mind, in the last few months, this name has been in a tight range of like 175 and 190, just up and down. It's a big range, but it's just up and down, no clear direction, no solid like long-term direction, just up and down. As I mentioned, I don't know if you watch my previous lives, this is probably is gonna be in a tight range for a long time until it breaks and basing for a big move. Yeah, one day I believe this is gonna be the most valuable company. Um, so anyhow, yeah, that's about if 183.35 can hold it, supports are 181, 170, 178, and 177. Microsoft near all-time high again. 15 and 30 is upward. 1 hour is not golden cross yet. Once it confirms, we're looking at 449 pass. Then next major is 451. If 451 pass strong, then we're looking at 453, 457, 461. It's still very bullish on daily and weekly. Google, this is just usual. It goes to all-time high, it pulls back. It did it again on Friday and today, on Friday and Monday. And right now is at least the pullback is not as big as before. Before it went to all-time high, new all-time high, and then pulled back like 5-10 points. Um, but this time is holding near it. So 180 if it passes, 180, 162 is the next major. Above that, 183, 186. Supports are 178, 176. 4 hour we're getting a dark blue bar, so we'll see. 15 is golden crossing. AMD, every dip was getting bought yesterday. That was interesting. So if Nvidia goes, this one probably maybe this time tag along and go. Um, so 161 to 58, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, 162, 164, above 164, those are the higher level. 165, 167, and 170. If 158, if it falls again, 158 and 156 support levels. SMCI, 853 is the next major level to watch. If it passes that one, we're looking at 870, 899, and 928 if in case it goes crazy. 5 is up, 1530, 1 hour is upward. If the 4 hour we get a yellow bar and a more bullish sign, 853. Past that one can go crazy. SPY, come on. So SPY, we are looking at two key levels, 542 and 545. Pass either one, bigger move can come. 545 it pass, 547 and 548, those are the next major. If 542 can't hold it, back to 539. QQQ, so it's hovering around 476 for now. If it jumps up, 479, 483, those are the next major level. If it falls again, 474 support. Below that, 470, 468. What else you got here? SMH, 4 points higher. So if it runs up, 264 is the next major to watch. ARM, 1 point higher. 154 is a key level. Past that one, 156, 158. MSTR gapping up 40 points. If BTC continues going up, 1424 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 1470, 1517. 1 hour is upward, 4 hours near golden cross. That's pretty much it on the major names. MU, 142, 144 next key levels. Past that one can go for a bigger run up. What else? Dell, all about 140. Past that one, 144 is the next key level. QCOM, 3 points higher. This one, if it continues going up, I like that it got a yellow bar. 206 is next major. Above that, 208 to 11. What else? That's pretty much it. NVO. Yeah, NVO got a approval to go to China, so that's making it jump up. Right now it's 3 points higher. Um, my next major level there is 146.72. It's already at all-time high. If 146 passes, 159 next major long target. Meta, I went over it. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in and have a beautiful day.